Hi, I'm Jordan from Motor Match Stafford, and this is the Fiat 500 Lounge, and it is a 1.2 petrol manual. Now, as this is a Motor Match approved vehicle, it means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one comes first. So if you like the look at this car and you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, then you can give us a call on 01785 899 474. We're getting into the vehicle now, and you can see how fantastic the front headlights and front grille are. It perfectly complements the red exterior colouring to create such an eye-catching and beautiful looking vehicle. You can also see your black front grille, which works well with the red exterior colouring to really break it up and make it look that much more illuminated. Now, this car also comes with your 15-inch alloy wheels in this silver finish, really complementing all of the exterior features. Now, going on to the interior, you can see they're made out of a full cloth, really adding such a stylish and comfortable look and feel to the interior of this car. And the way to get into the rear seats is by easily pulling forward either the driver's side or the passenger side to create that much more space and option to get into the rear seats. Now, if you're quite a tall passenger, you won't have to worry about feeling squashed, as there is loads of room available in this car. Even though this is quite a compact car, there is still loads of room available in the boot, and I'm going to show you that now. So this would be perfect when going away on holiday for a weekend away, and you can fit everybody's luggage easily in here, and you won't have to worry about it not being able to fit, as you can also fold the rear seats forward to create an extended boot. Now, lifting up the boot flooring, you've also got under boot storage where you can keep a spare tyre or any other accessories that you may need in case of an emergency, and it won't ruin the overall look of the car as it is all neatly hidden away. Some more information about this car is that it's had 5 previous owners, but you wouldn't be able to tell as they have all taken fantastic care of it, and this car is in such a great condition. But taking you into the driver's side now, and you can see that interior trim and look of the cloth again. You've got that cloth running across your door panelling with the chrome door handles and also your cream coloured steering wheel, really bringing all of the little details of the car together. I'm now going to show you some of the high-tech features which come with this car, and it starts off with your multi-function steering wheel. You've also got electronic door mirror controls and window controls themselves, which can be found on your centre console and on your door. You can see with the multifunction steering wheel, you can control different aspects of the car all from one place, but you can also use it to do stuff like volume and change radio stations. Now, here is your main digital infotainment system, which is where you can control all of your different features of the car. You've got FM and AM radio stations, which gives you a huge range of different stations to choose from and covers every type of genre of music. Now, you've also got a city mode, which means the car is better in small and tight conditions, so if you need to manoeuvre quickly, you can do so with that button. Here you can also see you've got your climate control. Now, I'm easily adjusting all of the different temperatures and airflows, which you can see here, and all of the dials are found on your centre console, so if you need to adjust them, whether you are the driver or passenger, you will have no problem at all. Again, like I said, here are your electric window controls for either side, and you've also got the classic Fiat 500 gear shift there. Now, down just a little bit more, you have got cup holders as well as aux and USB, so you can connect your devices that much more easier. But the main point of the car that stands out is the glass sunroof. It really just allows so much light into the car, but if you want to cover it up, you can pull the shade across effortlessly, really blocking out most of the sunlight. So that was the Fiat 500 Lounge that is now available at Motor Match Stafford. Again, this is a Motor Match approved vehicle, which means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one comes first. So if you like the look of this car and you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, then you can give us a call on 01785 899 474.